Hey guys, let's talk about this H88 body camera on Android. So you can just connect directly to your phone. So I have the camera ready here in my cell phone, and I just need to come here to the App Store and download the app to connect to the camera, okay? So here in the App Store, you just look for Sports DV. That's the one. And you just download it and install on your cell phone. And then you just open it up and connect to the Wi-Fi. But before doing that, you just need to turn on your camera. So just press and hold for a while until you see the LED here on the camera. So the camera is on, and then you press again twice like this. There we go. You see that's flashing, and then the camera is ready to connect to the Wi-Fi. So the camera is not connecting to the internet, okay? Just to make everything clear here, the camera connects to your cell phone. So here on the cell phone, you just hit here, please connect to the camera. Then you're gonna look for the cameras here. See here, cam 888, that's the one. Just connect here. If it asks for the password, you just need to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the password. Okay, so it says internet may not be available. That's okay because the connection is between the cell phone and the camera. So you just come back here to the app. Let me just open it. Come back here and hit play. When you hit play, you're gonna see live image. Let me just put the camera that way so you see some interesting image back there. So I hit play and you see the camera is live, right? So it's working. And from here, you can have access to the files that are recorded here in the phone as well. Just press here. You see no files, but you just come here to the SD card and you see the pictures and also the videos that are available here on this phone. And you can download to your phone, or you can even play from here as well. So that's the image from the camera. It works pretty fine, right? So I'll leave the link here in the description for this camera. That's the sports camera. The name again, the model is H88 or G888, depending where you buy the camera. And now you can have it working on your Android phone. Doesn't matter if you have a Samsung or any other device, it's going to work, right? I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.